Hi, I'm Jessica with Ellie and Mac, and today I'll be showing you how to use this KamSnaps Table Press. We'll be using it to install size 20 fashion snaps, and these are the dies that you insert into the table press in order to install them. It's actually super easy, so come along with me today. These are the things that we're going to need to install our fashion snaps. These are size 20 fashion snaps from KamSnap. So first of all, we're going to need a hole cutter. This is a hole punch. You have a top and a bottom part that fit into the table press. Then we're going to need the two sides of each of the snaps. So on one side, you're going to have the cap and the socket. And these are the fittings that go to it. So for the cap, which is the flat one here, we need this flat piece. And then for the socket, that little part will stick into the socket itself. And on the other side of the fashion snap, we have the stud, which fits into the socket, and the post, which connects with the stud. So for the stud, you'll need this attachment. It has like a little spring on this side. And for the post, you need this attachment. That will go into the back of the post here. So let's get started to see how all of this comes together with the table press. So here's the KamSnap Table Press. And these fittings here will go into the table press on the top and the bottom. So I have a scrap piece of fabric here. If you're doing this in something, you need to make sure that you interface the back. But since we're just doing it with the scrap right now, we're just gonna pop it in there. So the first thing is we need to make a hole with a punch. So this is the bottom. It just pops into the bottom. And then the top screws into the top part of the press here. Once you have that all seated in there, you're just going to take your project and put it in there. What I like to do is to mark exactly where I'm going to make that hole, because once you get it under there, all of a sudden you're like, oh, is this the right spot? Is this the right spot? So this is just a fabric marking pen. And I'm just going to go one way and then perpendicular to make a nice clear spot of where we would want a punch. So when you do it on your project, make sure you really mark it well. That way when we get it into the punch, all we're gonna do is just make sure when this comes down that it sits right in the middle of my two lines and press down. As you can see, it very easily makes that hole. So the next thing we're going to do is remove the punch attachments. And we're going to install the cap and socket attachments in the top and bottom. As you can see, there's a part that screws in and a part that goes in the bottom. It's very obvious which one is which. So I'm going to put that in the bottom, which went to our cap. This is the cap. And this part in the top, which goes to our socket. So I'm going to grab this cap, which has this little part that sticks up, and make sure you put this the correct way. You want the socket to attach to the other side of your snap. So do it the other way than where you want it to attach to. And you're going to go through that fabric and then just pop the socket on the other side. On the back, you'll see it has a hole and they kind of click together. So I have the socket on this side and the cap on this side. And we know that the bottom is the cap because that's what the shape is of the cap. So we're gonna settle that into the bottom, and then all we have to do is just take the top and press down firmly. It's not super hard because it's a big heavy table press. And voila, there is our fashion snap perfectly installed in there. And then all we have to do is get the other side and that will snap in here. So here's the stud, and that's what's going to snap into the socket of the snap. Let's try this on a real project. Now that I have the front 3 installed, that was so fast, I just need to do the ones in the back. So because we have the socket here in the back, these are the sockets, we need to match those up with the studs. So the studs will go this way, and then when it closes, they'll be able to snap into each other. So when you're putting these in, just make sure you do them the correct way. Again, the stud goes with the post. So the stud will be on this side and the post will be on that side of the hole. So I'll show you that here. So I'm removing the previous dies and putting in the opposite snap dies. This is what they look like. Here I'm showing the post and how it fits into the die, as well as the stud and how it fits into the other top die. And then I'll show you exactly how to install both of them. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, I've already had this one installed, and I'll show you how to do one of these. So you need to take the post and put it up through the back where you've already punched the hole. And then take a stud and pop it on. They kind of click into place. Did you hear that? And then that is just going to attach into the other side of the snap. So I already have these in place, and all I have to do is set the bottom. It has like a little part that comes up, so just make sure it's seated in there, and then press down from the top and press it into place. And it's already installed, so I'll just do the next one. Again, you put the post up from the bottom, put the stud on top, click it into place, set it on the attachment on the dies there, and there it is. So now all I have to do is just snap them all shut, and we'll have our finished placket. These are good snaps. They're not going anywhere. Doo-doo-doo. That looks so pretty. Oh man, I'm so excited. Okay. I wasn't sure how this whole project was gonna go, but look how cute that has turned out. I love it. I hope that video was helpful for you today, and it took you step by step to exactly what you needed to do to install the fashion snaps from KamSnap with their table press and using the dies. I hope it was super clear for you, and that I think you can do it yourself. Feel free to go rewatch this video. Let me know if everything made sense in the comments. Do you have any questions? Please let me know. I'm happy to answer. And stay tuned for our next video, where I'm going to show you that placket that you saw in this one, how to make it and what pattern to use. So check us out next week, where that video will be releasing. See you next time.